What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are excited, that we're bringing more content to the channel. We're bringing a highly requested sneaker and something that I was looking forward to, but it took longer than I thought. So as you guys already saw by the thumbnail and title, we're going to be reviewing the Travis Scott with Fragment Jordan 1 Low. So I hope you guys are excited, and without any more talking, we're gonna get right into the sneaker review. First, I do want to say this came through FedEx, and it took about, I would say, 3 weeks to come here, and I have noticed that delay whenever the sellers use FedEx. Whenever it's DHL, it usually takes a week or 2 max for you to get your shoes. So just be patient. Regardless, you are going to get your sneakers. Now, obviously we have this pretty cool plastic covering that you will also see in very few other sneakers, such as the Mama Jordan 3, which I'm letting you guys know that I am on the hunt for that sneaker. Hopefully I can add it to the collection in the next couple weeks. So now the plastic cover came very damaged, as you guys can see. I am not sure if this was the shipping company's fault or if the seller didn't properly pack it, because the FedEx box was in decent conditions and it did have some hits on it, but I don't know if it was to the point where this box would look like this. Now, I personally don't care about the box, so yeah. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plastic cover, and I just want to quickly show you guys. See, you have all the Nike Air Fragment logos, Cactus Jack. So yeah, I'm not gonna be throwing this away, even though it's all damaged. I am actually going to keep it. Now for the box, also a little bit damaged, but people, we do not wear the boxes, we wear the sneakers that are inside. Here you have the tag. So this is a 6.5 men's size, European 39, 24.5 centimeters. Remember, I always tell you guys, I fit a 24.5 to a 25, which is a 6.5 to a 7, or a 39 to a 40 European. It depends on the sneakers. Now these right here, I wanted them to fit me like a glove. That's why I went half size down. Usually my Jordan 1 highs are the ones that I always order on a size 7. So we're gonna put this to the side for a moment, and then here we have the pink paper, Fragment design. Let me know if this looks correct. We have the Air Jordan wing logo, Fragment logos, the Cactus Jack, pretty nice. We have another, and then here they are. One thing I don't like about Jordan 1 lows, or at least this specific one, is how weird the swoosh looks. And I have seen retail pairs, like unboxings on YouTube, and they all have this thick ass swoosh on the inside of the shoe. So, and then obviously the other side. So we're gonna get into more details shortly. Alrighty, so this pair right here, you can see it comes with the extra laces. We have 3 total colors: pink, navy, and black. I personally will be leaving the cream ones, to be very honest with you guys. So I'm gonna put this one to the side, and we're gonna use the other one to show you guys all details. So as you guys can see, it comes with the shoe tree, so that the shape of the shoe comes very protected. Oof, as you guys can see, the insole is already kind of like lifted. And oh, there we go. Here you can have a look at the stitching on the inside. I hope you guys are able to see that. And then here's the size tag in the inside of the shoe. Let me know if this looks good. Stitching is not that messy, to be honest with you. So anyway, Now I don't like the fact that this came all lifted, and it almost feels like this isn't the proper size insole for this shoe. It's a little big. So here you have the details of the side of the shoe. Here we have the pretty nice cream swoosh made out of leather, and you can actually see, you know, the wrinkles, which I love me some wrinkle leather. You have the toe box angle. Looks decent. It's a little bit shifted right here. You guys can see this part right here. I'm gonna try to find photos online of the toe box of the retail pair, but they are all super wide. So this one is almost perfect, in my opinion, at least. Here's the other side of the sneaker, and then you have some letters, details on the insole right here. The swoosh, like I was saying, I am not a fan of it. And then here we have the heel with the Fragment logo and the wing logo as well. Here we have the tongue, Cactus Jack. And then here we have the inside of the tongue. So yeah, I'm gonna try to film some on feet shots, or like just kind of like walking shots. Hopefully I'm able to get them because the day looks sunny. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of the sneakers of today's video. And that's gonna be pretty much it. Make sure you follow my Instagram, which is where I'm gonna be posting an outfit photo very soon. And that's also where I post hints of sneakers that are coming to the channel, sneakers that I hit for retail. And I go like this because honestly, it's a hit or miss. And I did hit on the Fragment, was it Fragment? Is the Nike Sakai's. Man, I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. I am so bad. I like the color. I love navy. So that's the only reason why I tried, and I wasn't expecting to hit, and I actually did. Same thing happened with the Electro Orange. I entered, not hoping to win, and I won. So expect a review on that video. On that shoe. God, I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. And I'm gonna end it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.